All right, let's move on to payout annuities. Now, the benefit of having a retirement account or a college savings account is that eventually that savings plan that you have turns into a payout annuity. In other words, that's how you're getting your income, either your income to pay off your college bills, your income to pay your bills because now you're retired. And so that's why exactly you save that. And so what we're going to look at now is this idea of a payout annuity. So this one's a little different. This one is where you start with money in the account. Now, again, this didn't just magically appear there. It's because you were a good little saver. And then you pull that money out of the account on a regular basis. Okay, you're going to pull it out of the account on a regular basis. That can be monthly, quarterly, again, yearly, take your pick. Okay, now the money that's still in your account, you're not going to pull it all out. Okay, you're not going to pull it out and like bury it in your backyard. The money that's still in there continues to earn interest until you get to the point where you have pulled out everything. But you're not pulling out, $500,000. You're going to pull out a couple thousand at a time, and whatever's there is still going to be earning interest. Otherwise, it's like burying your money in your backyard. That is not what you want to do. Your payout annuity formula looks like this. P equals capital W times the quantity, 1 minus the quantity, 1 plus R over N, raised to the negative N times T power. All of that over R over N. Okay? Now here, P is your starting amount in the account, the principal. That's what you have built up in that retirement account up to that point. W is going to be your regular withdrawal amount. So how much you're going to pull out on whatever that regular basis is. R is your interest rate, just as it has been. T is the number of years, and N is the number of compounding periods. So when do you use this money or this formula? You use this formula when you take money from an account on a regular schedule and you let the rest sit there earning interest. Again, you're not going to pull it all out. That would be crazy and silly. You leave it and you let whatever's there continue to earn interest. So let's take a look at how this works. Okay. After retiring, your goal is to take $2,200 every month for a total of 25 years from your retirement account. So again, you're making a guess as to how long you think you might live or how long you think you might need this money. So we're going for 25 years. And let's say your account is going to earn 6% interest. So again, how do we decide? Well, right here's your goal. You're taking money every month from your account. This is what tells you what formula to use. Okay? So how much will you need when you retire? In other words, principal, what is the starting amount in my account? How much do I have to acquire so that I can retire and withdraw that $2,200 a month? Or in other words, that's your W. Then we have 1 minus the quantity, 1 plus our moderate interest rate of 6%. We're going to pull money out every month to pay our bills, and that is raised to the negative N12 times T. You're going to do this for 25 years power, all over your interest rate, 0.06, divided by how often you're pulling that money out, which is 12 times a year. Okay, so how much do you need if you want $2,200 to live off of every month for the next 25 years upon retirement? Type that all into your calculator. Again, no assumptions. You need to have $341,455.10 saved up by the time you would retire. Okay, how much is that is interest? Okay, how much of that is interest? Now, this is a little different perspective, okay, because you continue to pull out money. So this is what you take from the account, okay? How much you take minus your starting amount, because you are going to be taking out a whole lot more than that $341,000. Again, you're going to be continuing to earn interest on top of that amount. So what you're going to take is $2,200 every month for 25 years. If you subtract that starting amount, so what was sitting in your account on the day you retired, okay, what was there to begin with, you will find out that you earned, even after starting to withdraw, $318,544.90 in interest. In other words, after you retired and you stopped adding to that account, you made almost as much money in interest as you had originally saved. That is the extra beauty of saving ahead of time and setting up a retirement account. Because yes, you're earning a lot of interest up to that point, but you continue to earn interest after that point.